Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope everyone is doing okay. आज का जो टॉपिक होगा it's gonna be about understand your power, understand your rights. Now, when I say understand your power and understand your rights, they do kind of go hand in hand, but बहुत लोग ये गलती कर जाते हैं कि how they just misunderstand these both terms and how they misuse these both terms. Now I'll make you understand. The first thing is to understand your power. Understand your power. Power is something that you can control, that you can make changes on. But understand your right. Right is something that you're authorized to do, that you have a full, आपको उस चीज में कुछ मनाही नहीं है, आप वो कर सकते हो. But again, misuse word बहुत top पे रहेगा हमेशा. The misuse word, you cannot forget about it. Understand your power. Power वो चीज है, जैसे for example, I'll explain you this thing with the example again. You start your work at 9 a.m. and you decided to grab a coffee before your work. अभी जो आपका कॉफी शॉप है और जो आपका काम है, उन दोनों का डिस्टेंस बहुत नजदीक है, तो you don't have to worry about taking bus, taking car. You don't have to worry about commuting somewhere. You just have to walk. It's just a 2-minute walk. So now you decided to leave home by 8:30. You reached to the spot for the coffee shop at 8:35. You went there and you realized, boom, big lineup. Happened to all of us. Happened to me as well. You have a big lineup and you're frustrated now. You're frustrated because you just have 15 more minutes, 20 more minutes, and you have to go to work, which is going to take another 2 to 3 minutes. So you have to be out from coffee shop. If you're an anxious person, you'll be out from a coffee shop by 8:50. But if you're okay, you understand the things, you're like, it is what it is. अब क्या ही कर सकते हो, लेट 1-2 मिनट लेट हो भी गई. You leave by 8:55, or worst case scenario 8:58. You decided to do that, but lineup इतना लंबा है कि it's just not ending. 8:50 and you have still not ordered your coffee. How does that feel? Doesn't feel nice because you're anxious. You're like, oh fuck, agar मैं late हो गई, boss ने गालियां देनी है, I cannot be late, this and that, blah blah blah, other reasons. At this moment, understand this thing. आपका दिमाग, it's not your dimag is not thinking about what kind of coffee do I want, how I'm gonna really enjoy the coffee, how I really want that first coffee sip to feel like. आप ये नहीं सोच रहे हो. Your mind is so anxious to the point कि आप ये सोच रहे हो, why the fuck is this so big lineup? इतने लोग क्यों हैं? इतना टाइम क्यों लगा रहा है कोई ऑर्डर करने में? Why did I chose this time? You know, what if I get late? What if I really get late? What if agar ye ho jayega ye? You make the whole chain of scenarios and you end up stressing yourself. And that's where you fail understanding your power. आप वो चीज फेल कर जाते हो कि जो आपके पास पावर मिली है, आपके पास एबिलिटी है to change anything and everything, you fail to understand that. Now, instead of getting stressed out, you know what could have been the easiest solution? Getting out on time. 10 मिनट पहले निकल जाते, 10 मिनट. If not, fucking make the coffee at home. If not, coffee शाम को भी मिल जाएगी. If not, coffee would be there the next day too. If you're really stressed about getting late to work, you know. और चलो ये भी सोच लो कि अगर कॉफी 9 बजे मिल ही गई है, 1-2 मिनट लेट हो भी गई हूँ, what you can do? Can you change anything? Can you change the whole lineup? Can you change what somebody orders and how long do they take to order something? नहीं change कर सकते हो. The only things you can change is your schedule. That's it. That's what power is. That's your power is. आप सिर्फ उस चीज को चेंज कर सकते हो. You can only change that thing. You cannot change somebody else. You cannot change the coffee place. You cannot change the workplace. You cannot change the address. You cannot change the time. Nothing. The only change you can change is yourself and how you plan the whole thing, from waking up to get the coffee to get to the work, and sitting relaxed, enjoying the first sip of the coffee. You know how important that is? Yeah. Good. Now we'll shift to the understanding you're right. It's so unfortunate the world that we live in. People have misused their rights. People have misused their right to the extent that ये कभी भी किसी को भी hurt कर सकता है. You know, for example, I go to someone's house for a dinner. The first thing that they see me, they're not gonna ask how am I. They're gonna point out at my face, तुम्हारे तो बहुत पिंपल हो गए हैं, तुम तो मोटी हो गई हो, तुम तो ये हो, तुम तो वो हो, तुम्हारा तो अभी काम का कुछ नहीं हो रहा, तुम्हारा तो पीआर का कुछ नहीं हो रहा. Things like that. Yes, they have right to say whatever they want to say, but they're misusing their rights. Who gave them the right to say the things to me? Yes, I have a power right. A power use कर सकते हो. You can give them the same energy, and you can tell them, uh, do you just want to keep your opinions to yourself? Because I don't care what you say. I don't care मेरे 4 पिंपल हैं. I don't care मेरे बाल इतने लंबे हैं. I don't care I have this. I don't care I have that. तुम राइट सिर्फ उस बंदे को दे रहे हो ये सब तुम्हारी बॉडी के ऊपर, तुम्हारी लाइफ स्टाइल के ऊपर कमेंट करने का. द पर्सन यू रियली अडोर, द पर्सन यू रियली अलाउ टू से एनीथिंग टू यू, यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. For example, your parents, your siblings, your boyfriend, girlfriend, or just best friend, you know, the person you allow. When you allow this random person to give that bad energies to you, you're losing your power, you're losing the rights, and you're helping someone, you're allowing someone to, you know, use their rights in a bad manner. तो ये चीज वो कंटिन्यू करते जाएंगे. You know, a lot of people say कि अगर मैं आगे से जवाब दे देती तो you know वो disrespectful हो जाता. They're disrespecting you the whole time. Is that okay? No, it's not okay. It's not okay at all. वो चाहे आपसे जितने बड़े हैं जितने छोटे, does not matter. जो एक बहुत समझदार इंसान होगा ना, वो आपसे मिलते सार ये चीज बोलेगा, हाउ हैव यू बीन, हाउ इज लाइफ ट्रीटिंग यू, यू नो, कैसा जा रहा है, इज देयर एनीथिंग दैट आई कैन हेल्प यू विद, किसी चीज की कब जरूरत हो मुझे बताना प्लीज, यू हैव बीन डूइंग गुड, यू नो, आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल टू हैव यू, तुम्हारे अंदर इतना करेज है. why why we as humans we don't say those things? Well, I do, but कुछ लोग, बहुत कम परसेंटेज रह गई अब तो, कुछ लोग they don't say these things, you know, they don't say these things. The moment they meet you, they're commenting on your body, they're commenting on what they see you as on social media, they're commenting on what successes do you have, what failures do you have. It's so disheartening that people have normalized it. और इंडिया में तो बहुत ही नॉर्मल है, ये बहुत ही नॉर्मल है, बहुत ही ज्यादा नॉर्मलाइजिंग है ये. तुम कुछ एक्स्ट्रा कर लो, उस पे भी उनका एक ऐसे चिट्ठा, पूरा चिट्ठा ओपिनियन होता है. इट्स इट्स समथिंग दैट, क्रिटिसिज्म होना डिफरेंट स्टोरी है, बट यू, व्हेन यू अंडरस्टैंड योर राइट्स एंड यू मिसयूज देम एंड यू हर्ट समवन्स फीलिंग्स, डू यू थिंक देयर इज, दैट्स टेकिंग यू समवेयर? No. Is this creating more hates towards you, you know? And then it shows you that you are not focusing on your life, you are very much focused on your other people's life. और वो जिन लोगों की आप परवाह कर रहे हो ना, trust me, they don't care about anything else, they just care about themselves. Being selfish is not bad at all, as long as you're doing it in a way that it's not hurting someone. So ये था आज का टॉपिक. I really hope you learned something out of it. And if you have any auntia or anything around, any people around you like that, tell them, say them right away that they're not allowed to say you these things. Cut off the conversation. Ask them to be nice, be positive, spread positive thoughts. Not तुम्हारे मुंह पे क्या लगा है, तुम इतनी मोटी क्यों हो, तुम इतने वो क्यों, ये क्यों. No, you have to tell them to stop them right away and see how the things change. See how you understand the power and see how they understand their rights and they don't misuse them. Okay, have a good one and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Stay healthy, eat healthy, pray to God every day, and be grateful for whatever you have. Have a good one.